Hello? This is she. So you said we might have inclement weather? So tell me this, you're in the office by yourself, you sound like you muffled up. Why you got your mask on? And then you breathing hard too. And you swallowing hard. You by yourself?